Okay, me and Jenna here are going to sled. This is a very, very, very steep hill. Actually, it's really not. No, I'm just kidding. No, it's very bumpy though, very bumpy. And Jenna is going to demonstrate how bumpy it actually is. So, let's go. Okay, it's my turn to go. So Jenna can't even get up the hill. Okay. Here you go. Her getting her sled. Getting on her sled. Don't push me, don't push me. Well then. You're go get it! I got it! So this is us going down a dangerous hill. Seems more bumpy than it is. So let's make him come up this hill. Oh? My back! I slid across the snow. Okay. Well, this concludes our video, right, Jenna? Yes, it does. Okay.